Hey everyone, G from OG Creations. A bit of change for the norm for this channel. The next few videos needed to have some extra details included, so you're getting me. I would have included it in the description box, but who the hell takes the time to read that stuff anyway? So lately I've been loving every piece I've created using the ice dye technique. So when we woke up with nearly 4 inches of snow on December 26th, I put it to good use. Who needs ice when you've got snow, right? I had an extra white denim jacket and hoodie, so I soaked them in soda ash, crumpled them up, and started to throw on some color. I'll link a previous video that shows how I create the crumple technique down below. On these items, I'm using Dharma fiber reactive dyes in aquamarine, sea glass, teal blue, Nebula navy, and blueberry. After the dye is applied, I add a generous amount of soda ash. I basically buried everything in a mound of snow and left it untouched for 24 hours. I then brought it indoors and let it set, drip, warm up, whatever, for another 24. So 2 full days later, it was time to rinse. And let me tell you, you're not ready to play until that water runs clear. I also do 2 rinse cycles of cold tap water in the washing machine and 1 cycle of hot water using Dryer's detergent, also from Dharma. I loved the way that this turned out. The colors are so vibrant. I post new content every Friday, so make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if there are any items you would like to see created next.